Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how can you make your PowerPoint presentation attractive and impressive. And one more thing I want to tell you, how can you draw the diagrams in this and how can you make your presentation animated and you can put transitions and different kinds of designs I will tell you. So it will help you to make your presentations impressive for the audience and it will attract the audience as well. So for example, if you are going to make your you are going to draw the diagram of the truss, so how can you make it? I will tell you. And how can you draw take design transitions and animations also. So here comes, let's start. So I, for example, I am going to draw the diagram here. So how can you draw it? Let me tell you. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into the shapes portion. And for example, you are going to select the rectangle and I am going to draw this rectangle here. You can see. And then what I have to do, I have to go in the shape fill and I am going to select, for example, no fill here. And I am going to select shape outline. And how can I do that? For example, I am taking purple color here and I want to increase its weight. So I can increase its weight as well. Now what I have to do, for example, there is inclined line here. So I'm going to put it here. You can see, and this is the way you can put the line. And for example, you are going to select its shape outline purple color and its weight is this one. I think it's little thinner than the rectangular one. So right now I'm taking it. For example, you have to show the hinge support. So you can support, you can provide the hinge support here. This is the way. And for example, I am going to select shape fill, no fill, and I am going to select its color is green and its weight, lines weight should be 3 point. For example, let me reduce its size, and this is the way you can do it. And then for example, you have to provide the roller support here. So you can easily provide the roller support. You can take circle from the insert shapes option, and then you have to take shape fill, no fill. And the color, I am taking it green color because I have taken a green color in the in support as well. And you have to increase the weight of the line, weight of the this circles. It's, I'm going to take it 3 point. Okay, next what we have to do, we have to provide forces over it. And how can you provide external forces? For example, you have to provide inclined force here. So you can draw it like this. And for example, I'm going to reduce its size and I'm going to select its different color. For example, I'm taking its red color here and I'm going to increase its weight and it is 3 point. And then I am going to do what? I'm going to select the line here and this one. So for example, I am going to select its blue color, light blue color, and its weight is again 3 point. And I want to show it with a different design, so I am taking it dash. So what you have to provide the angle here. I have already discussed these things in the PowerPoint as well. So it will be clear to all of you. So I'm just going to revise it in this video. So you are going to select its color is, for example, you are taking its orange color and you have to increase its height, and this is 3 point. Now what is this? Its angle is, you are going to, you have to take a text box from the insert shapes, and right now I am writing, for example, there is 35 degree here, so 35 O. So what you have to do, you have to select this O, and right click on it, and you have to go in the font option and you have to make it superscript, so it will become degree. So it will behave like a degree and you have to make it bold. So I am putting it here, so it is this one. Now what I have to do, I want to have to put a force value here. So I am copying it here, and this one, for example, I will select it like copy it and then paste it. So I am going to write, this is the force. For example, this is what I am selecting that. For example, this is 350 Newton. And I want to change its color also, and I am taking its red color. And angle is in, for example, it will get attractive, so that's why I'm taking it. For example, I am taking dark blue color here, so it will look different. Now what I have to do, I have to write down the sides A, B, C, D. So how can I write it down? For example, this side, this is A, this one is A, and I'm putting A here. So you can see this one is A, and I will copy this one, and this side, how many I need it? 4. So the joint should be, for example, this is B, this is B, and I can increase its size as well if it is looking small. So I am taking it 24. Select this and make it 24. It's up to you, whatever the font size you want to take it, it's up to you, but it must be visible to the audience and it will be clear to them as well. For example, this should be, for example, I'm taking it C, and this size should also be 24. This is 24, and for example, I am going to write it here, and this is D, and this one is D, and this one will be also 24. Okay, then, and this size should be also 24. I'm taking it here. And next, what we have to do, so I have, for example, I have to provide its side lengths. So how can I do this? I'm taking it like this, I'm drawing this here, and always take it light. And you can also select shift here, so the line will get straight. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw an arrows here, and then I will change its color after that. This is the way to draw your arrows. And for example, I'm going to select a different color for this. For example, I am going to take this brown color, and its weight should be increased 3 point, and this will be visible, more visible to the audience. So I am going to select its brown color. So both the brown colors are not same, so I am going to take it the same color. And what I have to do, I have to give its length. So how can I give its length? So I am going to tell you here how can you write it down. So this is the way, and for example, its length is 8 meter, because you have taken courses in the metric unit. So metric system, so you have to provide length in meter. And for example, I am going to increase its size, and I am taking its 24. So this is the way you can do it. Now I have to give length of AB as well. So what is the width of this rectangle? So how I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you. So this is, and this one. Now I'm providing arrows here. Insert, and I am going to take this arrow. This one, and this arrow. This one. Now I'm going to select its color, and for example, I have already taken brown color, so I'm also taking brown color here, and the width should be 3 point. You can say weight of the arrows should be 3 point. I'm taking it. It's up to you. It's completely your choice. I'm just telling you how can you present your numerical or your calculation well. For example, I am going to select this one, copy it and paste it here. So how can you do it? This one. For example, this length is 4 meter. 4 meter, I think so it will get so less. So I'm taking it 6.5 meter. So I will increase its size, and you can see. Does it look nice? Yes, it's look nice and good. So what we have to do, for example, I want to write down what I am going to insert option and text box. I am going to put it here, and I am writing here the question. I am going here in the format tab, and for example, I am taking art here, which I want to select it. For example, I am taking orange one, and I am going to increase its size in the home tab, and I am taking its size it like this. It's up to you how you want to show it, and for example, like this. This is the way to make diagram. And what you have to do, for example, you want to change its color, so you have to go in the format tab, and you have to go in the text outline. And for example, I want to take dark blue color for the outline, and text should be yellow color, so it will look nice. And you can change the writing for theme font. For example, which theme font is looking nice. So Arial Black, I think Arial Black is looking good. One more thing I want to tell you here, I think it's not getting adjusted, so I should reduce its size. So this is the way you can make your diagram here on the PowerPoint, and you can present it well. Now one more thing I want to tell you here, what you have to go in the design, and you have to go in the design, and you have to select the design slide. So for example, I'm taking this. Whether it looks nice? No, not at all. It's not looking nice. So if I will take this, so diagram will get so light. It's blurry. So what it will get blurred. So what I have to select it. For example, I'm going in this light color, and this one is looking so harsh. So diagram is not clear to the audience. So I am moving towards the light colors. And for example, I'm taking orange color. So it will be more visible? No, not at all. It's not. It's not. And if I'm moving towards this, no, 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 not at all. Okay, let me take this one. Ah, I think this one is good. So you can select it like this. And what I'm going to tell you here is that, for example, I have to go in the transitions option, and I am going to select this curtains. And you can see the curtains comes over here. So this is the question, and if you want to write down the question here, so you can also add a edit text box here. And for example, I have selected this curtains, and I and then start selecting it. Whatever you select first, it